Hey there, everyone. If you've discovered that you're sharing your space with wasps, don't panic, you're not alone. Today, we're going to show you a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to get rid of a wasp nest safely and effectively. Before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. We'd really appreciate your support. Now, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Assess the situation. First things first, find out where the nest is located. If you can, determine the size of the nest and how many wasps are buzzing around. The Journal of Pest Management Science explains that the bigger the nest, the more caution you need to exercise, as more wasps mean a higher chance of getting stung. Step 2. Gear up. You'll want to wear protective clothing that covers your entire body. Think long sleeves, long pants, gloves, and a hat. Researchers from the University of Florida emphasized the importance of this. They found that protective gear significantly decreases the risk of wasp stings. Step 3. Choose the right time. Timing is key. According to the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents, it's best to tackle wasp nests at dawn or dusk when wasps are least active. Step 4. Prepare the area. Before you begin, ensure that children, pets, and other family members are inside. You don't want anyone else getting in harm's way. Step 5. Get your insecticide ready. Get a specialized wasp spray insecticide. These are designed to be sprayed from a distance, giving you a safety margin. A study by North Carolina State University showed that these sprays are generally effective in killing wasps fairly quickly. Step 6. Approach the nest. Carefully approach the nest. If you need to, set up a ladder to reach it. Be sure it's stable before you climb. If you're going to climb a ladder, make sure that you're completely covered, including your face, so you won't panic if the wasps come at you. We want to get rid of wasps, not break a limb. Step 7. Spray the nest. Spray the insecticide directly at the nest's opening. Follow the instructions on the spray can for the best results. Hold your ground for a few seconds to ensure that you've covered the nest sufficiently. Step 8. Retreat and observe. Once you've sprayed the nest, step back and keep an eye on the wasp activity. It should diminish as the wasps die off. Step 9. Remove the nest. After you're certain all the wasps have been eliminated. This could take a few hours according to research from the University of California. You can use a long pole to knock down the nest. Place it in a heavy-duty plastic bag and dispose of it properly. Step 10. Final checks. Do a final check to ensure that no stray wasps are lingering around. Then, congratulate yourself. You've successfully tackled your wasp problem. There you have it, folks. A straightforward way to get rid of a wasp nest. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.